Another pshat medish plio ein menichין tefillin ela b'Shabbos. If somebody finds in the street 2 sets of tefillin, the Gemara says you're allowed to wear 2 shel yatz and 2 shel rosh, because in the times of the Gemara, the meaning was to make tefillin half of the size of the mokum anochos tefillin. It should be nice and comfortable. So you can wear at the same time up to 2 shel yatz and 2 shel rosh with no problem. If somebody finds 3 pairs of tefillin, the Gemara says, he must go back and forth and save the 3rd pair of tefillin separately, because you cannot wear 3 pairs of tefillin at once. What happens if somebody finds a pair of tefillin as big as 2 sets of tefillin? Then he can wear it because there's mokum for 2 sets of tefillin. But what happens if he finds a tefillin which is as big as 3 pairs of tefillin? Then he cannot wear those tefillin, because a third of the tefillin, a part of the tefillin is shelo b'mokum anochos tefillin, and that's considered a masa. And that is a problem with bar mitzvah bochim, where they have a very small arm and they give them huge tefillin that doesn't even fit, and it sticks out from the arm, doesn't fit in the kiboires. Not only chotzi kiboires, but entire kiboires doesn't fit in. And it's a mitzvah that people should teach the children to buy small tefillin. The rabbonim are makpid to get for the bar mitzvah bochim smaller tefillin. There's no reason for big tefillin. Our patches are very small today, very thin cloth. Ubefrat tefillin shel yad, there's no reason why tefillin shel yad should be the same size of tefillin shel rosh. The Rav Shulchan Aruch and the Tur and the Orech HaShulchan brings down the shel yad is a quarter size of the shel rosh. Gavoya v'tzar, tall and narrow. You don't have to have a set with the exact same size of yad and rosh. The place of shel yad is much narrower and smaller than the place of shel rosh. That's why the Mesorah is the shel yad is smaller than shel rosh. A bar mitzvah bocher goes to buy a tefillin, and he sees that it's large. He tells the sofer who's selling the tefillin, but these tefillin are very large. The sofer says, that's a minik. Today we wear big tefillin. So the bar mitzvah bocher says, in my pshetl, a moitze tefillin machnisan zug zug, Ram Gamliel omer shnayim shnayim, you cannot wear more than 2 small sets. And you're giving me 1 set which is bigger than 2 sets. What happens if I lose this tefillin on Shabbos? Can I carry them on Shabbos? So the sofer says, you don't have to lose the tefillin on Shabbos. You're not going to lose them. You wear it in the weekdays. The mitzvah says, nay, I want such a tefillin which is kosher to wear on Shabbos. If Shabbos lets me wear this tefillin, this is kosher for the weekdays. If Shabbos does not let me wear those tefillin in the street, it's not kosher in the weekdays either. Ein menichін tefillin ela b'Shabbos. You cannot wear in the weekdays only such a tefillin that you may wear b'Reshus HaRabin in Shabbos. Now the Mechaber paskins that if somebody finds tefillin b'Reshus HaRabim on Shabbos, he should only wear 1 set, not 2 sets. And in Hilchos Rashi and Rabbeinu Tam, the Mechaber paskins in Siman Lamed Dalet that you should try to wear 2 sets of tefillin bevasachas, Rashi and Rabbeinu Tam, ki mokum yesh biyad l'niach shtei tefillin. So there's a steer as a Mechaber, like the Toises Yontef asks. Over here he paskins like the Tanekamo, that you're allowed to be matzil only 1 pair of tefillin because there's no space for more than 1 pair of tefillin. And over here the Mechaber paskins like Rabbi Gamliel, there is space for 2 sets of tefillin. One of the answers is, during Shabbos you have to be machmir, mishum moitzo, maybe there's no space for more than 1 tefillin. During the weekdays we have to be makpid, maybe the locho is that there's place for 2nd pair of tefillin. And Memeilo, Rabbeinu Tam, and all the Rishonim that pass like Rabbeinu Tam hold that you have to wear tefillin by Shmoneh Esrei and Kriyas Shema. So Yerushalayim should wear tefillin, Rashi and Rabbeinu Tam bevasachas lechumra. But according to this, which half of the arm should be for Rashi and which half of the arm should be for Rabbeinu Tam? Pashas Rashi should be for Vadai and Rabbeinu Tam for the Sofik. Post can bring down the shel Rashi should be towards the armpit and the Rabbeinu Tam towards the elbow. The truth is that tefillin has to be neged aleif, has to be level to the heart. The heart is situated at the upper half of the arm. The Rabbeinu Tam b'mokum sofik. Somebody want to be machmir, you should wear the tefillin in both halves separately, and yoytze l'chol hadayis. Ein menichін tefillin ela b'Shabbos. Shabbos is the poisik who tell you where is the mokum anochos tefillin. You should wear the tefillin during the weekdays in a place that you are comfortable to wear them Shabbos b'Reshus HaRabim.